Hi, I'm Stephanie Volkers, and I am the Customer Experience Director at LADUORA. We created LADUORA because we believe beauty and skincare routines need technology and need to be simplified. There are many things we cannot achieve with only a conventional skincare routine. They can be time-consuming and prevent us from receiving full benefits of our products. At LADUORA, innovation and technology go hand in hand, and we believe we can provide a more improved and more joyful skincare experience involving our technology. This is why we are here, to transfer our conventional skincare routines towards a more smarter, effortless, and more importantly, joyful experience. The amount of brands and companies offering numerous devices and skincare application techniques can be overwhelming, and I assume I'm not alone feeling this way. It can take away the true joy of skincare. Skincare shouldn't be this complicated and involve to-do lists. At LADUORA, we believe giving you the freedom can help bring back the joy and feel-good factor to your routine. The Valve is 100% easy to handle, unique, and simply enhances your already existing skincare routine. It has always been our mission to provide premium quality products at more affordable prices. We are a brand that chose to sell directly to our consumer online. This way, we can spend more on quality and innovation and pass any savings on to our valued consumers, and therefore focus on creating a transparent and sincere relationship with our LADUORA community. As a knowledge-based company, we'll continue to innovate and develop new self-care technologies and products. This is our upcoming device, and it's called the LADUORA Duo, which has been in design and development for about a year. It is going to be the world's first pod-based scalp and hair care product.